Welcome back to Terry's Model Rod Shop. Today I'm going to detail wheels and tires and scuff tires and show you how to detail the wheels out. So what I have here, you'll see my tools. I have steel paint, gloss red, 150 grit sandpaper, a Molotow fluorescent pink, and then here's a wheel and a tire that needs to be put together, and there's the two wheels that are already done, a pair of pliers or a pair of tweezers, a paintbrush, a wheel that needs to be scuffed, and a tire that needs to be scuffed, and a wheel that needs to be detailed. Then this is an attachment that goes on your drill that your socket fits on, and that's for scuffing your tires. And that's what we're going to do first. So I get my little handy dandy drill here. I put my tire on there. Just make sure you get a socket that'll fit over your tire, and then you just run your drill. And my dog is an idiot. Then you sand it with your sandpaper. And that's what your tire looks like when you're done. Looks like it's used instead of so toy-like. And then you take your Molotow pin, shake it up, and you hit each one of the lug nuts with it. Because NASCAR race cars, the lug nuts are either fluorescent pink or fluorescent yellow, so the officials can see whether they got the lug nuts on the car during the pit stop. And then you take your steel paint. The directions say aluminum, but I believe they're steel. And paint your hub. And paint your hub steel. And then to get the red ring around the tire, take a little bit of your red, this is just regular old Tester's junk enamel, spray it on there, and you just got a little excited with that one, but that's basically it. And then you take your tire, and these are kind of hard to put in, so you take your tire and you start it up. That's what your tweezers are for, because it's just like mounting a real tire on a real car, it seems like. And then you get your tire stretched over your wheel, which is the hardest part. So far, it's the hardest part of this build right here. Normally, tires are not this hard. And there you go. And there's your finished tire and wheel. So next week, I'll let this one dry. I'll put it in there. And then next week, we will finish by doing a custom drive shaft and finish up the model, or finish up the chassis, and then we'll get on to decals and final build. Thanks.